Hello everyone, today I am going to fix water damage Samsung mobile which is not turning on. So without wasting time, let's fix it. As discussed with the client, he told me mobile is not turning on and not charging. Hence, first I will check the battery. It's showing approx 0.5 volt and it's completely discharged. Now I disassemble the mobile to check how much water damage is happening in mobile. On the charging connector, there is a corrosion. I will clean it with PCB cleaner. Rest motherboard is perfectly clean. Here I am checking impedance. Now I am trying to charge the battery with DC machine. The battery is taking charge. After the battery is charged, now mobile is turned on properly. That means due to low battery, it's not getting charged and not turning on. That means the issue has been resolved. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon.